you asked me why it's important that Australian children should learn about the Holocaust, well, it's an event that actually happened, that impacted not just on 6 million Jews being dead, of whom my brother and I would have been potentially victims, but there were many more millions besides. It was a cataclysmic event in human history, mechanized from a civilization that was sophisticated. And if it can happen in a sophisticated society, it can happen at any time, anywhere. I think that our children have to be aware, very aware, of what went on, because it's impacted on the future, but it also informs them as to how to behave in their future.